Hey Dewdrops, it's Diane from CoraVina. Can't stop, won't stop. I really like this purple, okay? So we're gonna go with these same purple colors again, and we're gonna make something else. All right, let me get you back to our Dewdrop tray, our Dewdrop vision. Here we go. Let me tilt my other camera down. All right, gonna do the same thing. We're gonna start with our white right down the center of the tray. Here we go. I had a little bit of a plan. Now that I'm doing this again, now I'm not sure. All right, that's my life. That's how this show rolls. If you don't know that by now, we kind of go with the flow here. Literally, go with the flow with our water marbling paints. We are very much with the Bob Ross school of thinking here. It is what it is. Happy little dewdrops. No mistakes, no mistakes. All right, we're gonna come through here. Oh, that was the one we're not gonna do. Okay, I remember now. And got our grapey purple color. We've got that really pretty one. Now, what was I gonna do? So funny. All right, let's add some white on top of this really bold purple. Make it look a little bit different. Let's keep these guys their original color. Now I feel like this is very white. Okay, so let's add more purple back on there. All right, got a nice amount of color blooming on our tray here. Let's come in with one of our tools and start moving our paint around. You can see that we've got a little bit of white still working its way there. Here we go. How's it going, Dewdrops? Are you making it? Are you going to do okay? We are e-learning this week. Pray for me. That's all I can say. I'm not joking. E-learning. It takes a lot out of everybody. All right, so we got this one down here. Let's come in from the top. And we're gonna just drag again, nice and slow. We have a really wide batch of that medium grape color. That's all right. It's still gonna look pretty. We're gonna bring it back. And you know what, Dewdrops? We're gonna do this one more time. We're gonna thin out our color. You'll see what I mean here in a second. The more we manipulate our paints with the tools, the thinner the streaks of color get, the more wispy the lines get, if that makes sense. Why not? Let's go one more time. This is the point where I start to worry about my paint drying out on itself, which does happen. Look at all those detailed lines. I like that a lot, except for this area. That's okay. All right, let's dip our paper down. Let's see what we have got. Maybe here. See, I never do like the stylus. Oh, it's because I like the symmetry very much. I like the lines. That's one of the first things that attracted me to water marbling, was seeing how perfectly in sync everything was. And I kept thinking, like, there's no way that an artist could create that. I mean, the diligence and, you know, the muscle memory it would require is insane. I still feel that way. That's why I like the tools. I love using the tools. All right, let's lower this paper down. Let's see what we've got. I'm gonna have a really gross bubble right here. That's my own fault. All right, here we go, guys. 1, 2, 3. Wow. You can see that our edges are curling up quite a bit. All right, but they're looking good here so far. All right. So let me set it down. This one is going to need some ironing. All right, got a little bit of paint smearing. No, that's fine. We should probably be able to rinse that off pretty well, actually. Okay, so what does it look like? It looks like this. Does it look like a wreath? I think it will. All right, Dewdrops, this is Diane from CoraVina. I am hoping you're having a great day, great week. Getting ready for Christmas, doing all the fun holiday things. I hope they're so fun. It's gonna be good. All right, so go to CoraVina.com to get a new scarf for you or a friend, and make sure and come back tomorrow because we're doing one more really beautiful Christmas water marbled paper. Okay, take care. Remember, live colorfully. Goodbye.